Hey guys, Austin here, and I am doing another video. Right now I'm at Wendy's having a son of Baconator, and I'm wondering how much I got on my card, so I asked my mom. So yeah, so an update on my life. I'm able to get out of school at 2 o'clock with senior privileges. And yeah, once my mom actually texts me back, I will be getting a drink. And if I don't have enough here, for a drink, I'll go to Dollar Tree, get a sparkling cider, and yeah, just go right home after that. So nothing out of the usual going on for me today. Actually, I don't normally come to Wendy's alone, so yeah. If you like this video, punch that button in the face like it's someone you hate. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!